everyone, and welcome back to Edye's WW Kitchen. I am so glad you joined me. Hey, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. And I hope that you find an array of recipes that will help you along your Weight Watchers journey. If you're not on Weight Watchers, there's some good recipes that will help you along whatever journey you're on. So, today, I want to talk to you a little bit about chicken. One of the things that I see posted on social media a lot is how everybody is so tired of chicken. They're tired of chicken because it's, boring, it's bland, it's whatever. Well, let me tell you a secret, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm assuming there's some guys out there too. It's all in the flavoring, okay? So today's recipe is Moroccan chicken with oranges. Moroccan. That's not American, and that means we've got some new spices on the block. So, this is a very, very simple recipe to make. It is one smart point. One smart point. Yeah. Okay, for this Moroccan chicken with oranges, you're going to need chicken, oranges, paprika, cumin, turmeric, salt and pepper, avocado oil, honey, and water. And you get that stuff together and I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do, easy peasy. Take your seasonings, your paprika, your cumin, your turmeric, your salt and pepper, and make yourself a little mix. And just stir it up with your finger. It's a beautiful little mix. It smells so good too. Then you need the zest of one teaspoon of orange zest. So we're just gonna make some zest here. There, it's about a teaspoon. Set the zest aside. You're gonna use it in a little while. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take about half of our seasoning and we are going to season our chicken with it. Take half of it, season. Make sure you get that beautiful color on there. Very good. Okay, so you wanna put your pan over moderate heat. Put about a teaspoon and a half of the oil in there. And we're gonna start working on our chicken. It's best if your pan is hot when you do this. Hear that sizzle? That means you're gonna get a good crust on it. Sort of like putting together a puzzle to get it all to fit. Okay, you're going to add in the rest of your oil. You're going to turn down the heat a little bit. Your water and seasonings and your oranges. You're going to add the remainder of this. And then you're only going to cook this through. Okay. That, my friends, is done. It's time to plate. That, my friends, is Moroccan chicken with oranges. And I happen to have some fresh mint, so I sprinkled it with mint because why not? Thanks for sticking with me. I hope that this is a recipe that you want to try in your own kitchen, and I wish you the best of luck on your WW journey. Thanks so much for being a part of mine.